In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in your My Tasks in Asana. So, let's dive in and make your task management a bit more streamlined. Picture this. You open Asana and look at your My Tasks list, only to find it cluttered with tasks you've already completed. You know what's done and dusted, so let's focus on what's ahead, right? Here's a simple way to keep your task list clean and efficient by hiding those completed tasks. First things first, we'll head over to your My Tasks view in Asana. This is where all your tasks live, and it's where we'll be making this handy little change. Once you're there, take your eyes to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a filter icon. Just go ahead and click on that. This filter tool is like your secret weapon for customizing how you view your tasks. After you click the filter icon, a selection of quick filters will pop up. These are super useful for honing in on exactly what you need to see. From this list, we're going to select Incomplete Tasks. This particular filter helps you zero in on the tasks that still need your attention while cleverly pushing the completed ones into the background. And that's essentially it. With just a couple of clicks, your completed tasks are now hidden, allowing your attention to stay focused on your current priorities. It's a tidy way to manage your task list, making sure only the actionable items are in front of you. Here's an added bonus. Once you've applied this filter, Asana remembers your preference. That means every time you head back to your My Tasks, it will automatically show only your incomplete tasks, keeping your workspace neat without any extra effort on your part. It's like having your own personal task manager that knows exactly what you need to see. This quick change can make a world of difference in how you perceive your workload. By filtering out the noise of completed tasks, you can reduce visual clutter, thereby potentially reducing stress and increasing productivity. It's a small tweak, but one that helps keep your focus sharp and your task management seamless. So, that's all there is to it. I hope this little tip helps you work more efficiently in Asana. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.